Today, I'm going to show you how to build an awesome curved Lego wall. So, we're using a 1x3 brick, a 1x2 brick, and a 1x1 round brick. We're going to be using lots of these. The first step is to create a repeating pattern. Start by adding a 1x1 round brick to a 1x3. Then, add two 1x3s either side of that. Then begin to repeat the pattern like so. A top tip is to build it flat. It's easier to build when flat. If you're building it way up in the air, it'll move around and fall apart on you. When you get 3 bricks high, you'll find it's a bit more robust. This is what your wall should start to look like. Now I'm going to put in a 1x2 here, and that's going to be one end of my wall. Build the rest of your wall up following this pattern, like so. And there we go! We have a straight wall. I know, I promised a curved one. Let me show you what this can do. Take your straight wall, and it's important that it's only 1 stud thick. You couldn't do this with a 2 stud thick wall. It bends. And there it is. You've got yourself a curve. So, we're going to fix it to a base plate. What you'll find is, now that we've flexed it, the connecting points won't line up with the studs on the base plate. But we can fix that by adding 2 1x1 studs. I'll just add one to this end and one to that end. Then I'm going to connect it to the base plate. Put one end on first, and then the other. You can flex and bend the wall however you like. Once it's on, it'll be nice and solid. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back for more Lego how-tos.